Well, now let's study words in Unit 18, 3 to 5. Before I go over details of definitions and usage of these words, I'd like to have dictation of all these words that you've learned so far. So word number one, a series made up of successive stages. A series made up of successive stages, beginning with letter G. Okay? Word number two, moving toward a worse or earlier state. Moving toward a worse or earlier state, beginning with letter R. Okay? Moving toward a worse or earlier state, beginning with letter R. Word number three, the time during which a throne is vacant between two successive reigns or regimes. The time during which a throne is vacant between two successive reigns or regimes, beginning with letter I. Word number four, a government or period of time in which a regent rules in place of king or queen. Okay? A government or period of time in which a regent rules in place of a king or queen. Word number five, overly critical. Overly critical, beginning with letter H. Beginning with letter H. Overly critical. Word number six, the ratio of volume of red blood cells to whole blood. The ratio of the volume of red blood cells to whole blood, beginning with letter H. Word number seven, a system of law. The study and philosophy of law, beginning with letter J. A system of law or the study and philosophy of law, beginning with letter J. Word number eight, to reject formally. To reject formally, beginning with letter A. Word number nine, based on or according to the law. Based on or according to law, beginning with letter D. Actually, it is comprised of two separate Latin words. Right? And the first word of this Latin phrase, beginning with letter D. Right? Word number 10, an athletic contest in which each athlete competes in 5 different events, beginning with letter P. Right? An athletic contest in which each athlete competes in 5 different events, beginning with letter P. Word number 11, the first 5 books of Old Testament, traditionally said to have been written by Moses, beginning with letter P. The first 5 books of the Old Testament, traditionally said to have been written by Moses, beginning with letter P. Word number 12, a line of poetry consisting of 5 metrical feet. A line of poetry consisting of 5 metrical feet, beginning with letter P. Word number 13, of or relating to any of various fundamentalist sects that stress personal experience of God and vocal expression in worship. Of or relating to any of various fundamentalist sects that stress personal experience of God and vocal expression in worship, beginning with letter P. Word number 14, a 500th anniversary or the celebration of such event. The 500th anniversary or the celebration of such event, beginning letter Q. Word 15, representing the purest or most perfect example of something. Representing the purest or most perfect example of something, beginning letter Q. Beginning letter Q.